today, let's start with chapter number 6, algorithm. In this chapter I will tell you about algorithm. It is a procedure of how to put formulas for solving a problem. So algorithm क्या है? It is a procedure or formula for solving problem. It is based on carrying out sequence of specified actions. So जो algorithm है वो आपका 9th century से आता है. जो mathematicians थे आपके, इनका नाम था मोहम्मद अल ख्वारिज़मी, जिनको हम algorithm कहते हैं. So a algorithm typically plays out in a finite number of steps and it is frequently involves repetition of an operation. इसमें क्या होता है? Operations का repetitions होता है. They are not just used in mathematics and computer since, but they are also used in daily life. ठीक है, इनका हम daily life में भी use करते हैं. So algorithm in our daily life. Let's study about the algorithm. So let's look at few examples of algorithm and in our daily lives. Take our instant the task of making tea. For that, now algorithm here would be the set of instruction one would follow to make this tea. Now, so the algorithm would include following steps, like you can say heat water in a pan, add to it crushed ginger, add tea leaves, add milk, and when it comes to a boiling, add sugar. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. फिर आपको simmer करना है 2 to 3 minutes के लिए. Following the above instruction, you would produce the desired result and solve our problem to fulfill our task. और ऐसे ही हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अपनी problem को step by step perform करके अपनी problem को solve कर सकते. Now similarly, let's look at the next example of curry leaves. So for this, take some soil into a pot, sow fresh curry leaf seeds in the soil. आप एक soil लोगे pot में, उसमें कुछ curry leaves डालोगे. Then keep the seed soil damp. Make sure temperature is firmly warm. Once it has taken root in a few weeks with enough warmth and moisture, make sure it continues to receive sunlight. So feed it weekly with fertilizer solution. और आपको क्या करना है? जो leaves होती है उनको trim करना है as needed. जैसे उनको trim करना होता है. So next we have algorithm in computer science. So in computer system जो algorithm है वो एक instant of logic written in software by software development and means for intended computer, जो एक output produce करता है और आपको क्या देता है? Input देता है. To get computer to do tasks, you need to write computer program. So doing so means telling the computer step by step exactly what you want it to. The computer then reads the program, executes the command, share it following by each steps mechanically to complete the set task. This series of related commands or steps is a computer algorithm. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Computer algorithm. Now here the activities given, you must do yourself. Next is advantages and disadvantages. Let's study. देखो जब हर चीज की advantage होती है तो कुछ उसकी disadvantages भी होती हैं. So let's study advantages. It is a stepwise representation of a solution to a given problem. जिससे आप इसको easily समझ सकते. ठीक है? It's easy to understand. It uses a definite procedure. It is not dependent on any program language. So it is easy to understand for anyone even without programming language. बिना programming language के जाने. Every step in algorithm has its logical sequence, so it is easy to algorithm. The problem is broken down into smaller pieces and it is easier for a programmer to convert it into actual program. और ये easy हो जाता है programmer के लिए कि इसको हम क्या करें? Actual program में convert करें. Disadvantages, it is time consuming, difficult to show branching and looping. आप इसमें branching और looping नहीं दिखा सकते. Then we have characteristics of algorithm. Like, what are its characteristics? Finiteness, output, your input, your effectiveness and your definiteness. ठीक है, ये सब क्या है? ये characteristics है. जैसे algorithm क्या है कि finite number of steps देती है and it should end after a finite time. Then we have input. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे inputs हैं. No inputs are there. Then output, it should result in at least one output. Then we have effectiveness, जो simple है, the finite amount of time में. Then definite. These are the different characteristics. Hope you understood. Now we have completed this chapter on the algorithm. We will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.